Hello everyone, in this video we're going to compare these two websites, these two CRM websites, which is GoHighLevel versus Monday CRM, which is one of the most top CRM websites for marketing in 2025. So talking about these two websites, they both perform two significant roles in the marketing industry. So if you are in huge pain to grow your business online and make huge amount of sales and also independent and be more accessible to your customers, these two websites provide a wide range of tools for that to happen. So talking about the GoHighLevel website, they also provide a wide range of key features that help boost their platform services. One of them is their digital marketing engine. They also provide a capture new lead, also provide a lead converter. They also provide automated books, membership creators, and also they offer a free plan. And they also have two set of price lists, which is a starter price list, and also they also offer a premium price list, which is around $217. Then for their starters plan, it is range from $297 to $100 per month. These two websites are so known well in the CRM platform, which also they provide huge amount of services and they deliver. Now back to management, back to Monday platform. Monday platform is also an AI platform that provide a lot of tools to integrate the workflow, to have a smart workflow. And here is a couple of their features. They also provide Monday AI. This AI helps them stimulate their works, the CRM tools. They also offer integration centers, smart workflow automation. They offer a smart workflow. They also provide a smart flow automation. They also provide a Kanban board, a content chart, and also they offer a free plan. And their plan also is range between $9 per month to $10 per month. And they also have a premium plan, which is listed on their website. This is their pricing list right here. Is it pricing list? Let's check their pricing list. For free, you have the free trial, which is for free package. You have free, which include up to 3 board, unlimited documents. You have about 200 plus templates and 8 column types with iOS and Android app for free. Now, if you want a basic, here's the basic. Pay nothing less than $9 per seat, $9 per month rather, with the average total of $90 per year, which is annual. Then here's the services included for this package. You have unlimited free views, limited items, 5 gig file storage, and patronize customer support and a great dashboard based on one board. You create a dashboard based on one board, and so the standard, which is $12 per month, which is approximately 120 bills annually. They also provide timeline and vacancy views, a calendar view, a guest access automation, which is around 250 actions per month rather. They also have integration, which is around 250 actions per month. They also create a dashboard that combines 5 boards. Now back to the most popular, right? The most popular Pro, which is a Pro plan, which is around $19 per month, which is the total cost of $190 per month bills annually. They also have a streamless complex workflow at scales, and also they provide all the standard plus tools, which is a private board, a chat view, a time tracking, a formula column, automation, which is around 25k actions per month. They also provide integrations, which is around 25k actions per month. They also create a dashboard that combines 20 boards. Now back to the enterprise. So enterprise has no a listed payment for that on the website, but they also offer the enterprise skills, automation, and integration. They also offer multi-level permission. They also offer enterprise grade security and governance. They also offer advanced reporting and analysis. They also offer enterprise support, creating a dashboard that combines about 50 boards. Also check complete their feature list. Here is it. So back to the complete feature list. They have a free, they have a basic, they have a standard, they have a pro, they also have an enterprises, and each and how you can get started for any of these feature lists right here. And here's the minimum number of seats. You have 2 seats, unlimited seats, unlimited. This is about under the items we have about up to 1000 unlimited. For the rest of the plan, they are unlimited. Now back to the file storage. You only have about 500 MB for the free, which is for the free package. Then for the basic, you have 5 gig. The standard, you have 20 gig. Then on pro, we have about 100 gig. Then on enterprise, we have about 1000 gig. Now activities log. On the free, just a week. Then on the basic, just a week. On the standard, just 6 months. Pro, a year. And enterprises, you have 5 years. So under the unlimited board, there's no unlimited board for free. So if you have not have access to have access to unlimited board, it starts from the basic down to enterprises. Then talking about the unlimited document, there's no unlimited document for free. So unlimited document started from the basic down to the enterprises. Then the 20 column type is available for all the plans. Then 200 template is also available for all the plan. The iOS app and the Android version of the sales website is available for all the plan. Then if you want unlimited messages update, it's also available for all the plan. They have a wide range pricing list right here, a complete feature list rather. They have a wide range of complete feature list, which is pretty more accessible, which is awesome. Yeah. So back to GoLive CRM tools right here. Here's the overview. To give the most accurate comparison, we must explore this. So talking about the exploration, we've explored these 2 websites together. So kind of figure out that one CRM platform is expensive compared to the other. This is the most expensive platform. This is expensive, but compared to this, like this also, this for the monthly payment of this is about 97. Why for this is just in fact the first free plan is about nothing. It is free. Then back to the basic, it's about $9 a month. Then the total of 90 per annual. So the GoHighLevel website seems to be more expensive. So if you want to consider using these 2 websites, you have to make sure you have enough money in your wallet so that you can use the services. But if you want a cheaper plan that can still help you get some things done with your business, you can use this Monday CRM. I'm talking about the review rate. This app will currently rate about 90.0 out of 10. We have about 90 rate of 10. Then this website also rate about just about 8.0 of 10. So this website is highly rated, which is known for their most highly standout tools, but they use to perform their task, which makes them stand out. And this also They provide a virtual workflow and a management, also a collaboration tools and integration with an open AI, which makes it more superior and fantastic for these two websites. So if you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and let us know in the comment section which of this website you think is best for you.